In Saarthi, profiles make it simple to switch between different AI providers and models. This gives you the flexibility to configure specific models for specific coding tasks. Let's walk through how it works. From the Saarthi home screen, open the Settings panel by clicking on the gear icon. In the settings, the very first section you'll see is Providers. That's where we'll be working. By default, Saarthi sets up one profile when you first install it. Now, let's add more. Click the Add Profile button. You'll be asked to give it a name. Pick something that makes it easy to remember which provider and model it's linked to. Next, choose your provider, paste in the API key, and select the model you want. You can search directly by typing in the model name, and Saarthi will show you all models available from that provider. Once selected, click Save and then Done. That's it. Your first custom profile is ready. Let's create another one, this time with a different model and some adjusted settings. Follow the same process, but after adding the profile, scroll down into its settings. Here you can fine-tune options like temperature. Temperature controls how deterministic or creative the model's responses are. Lower values keep answers focused and predictable, while higher values encourage more variety and creativity. You can also set manual rate limits here by adjusting the slider. Once you've made your changes, hit Save again and close the settings. For our third example, let's create one more profile, but switch both the provider and the model this time. After saving, we now have 3 distinct profiles ready to use. Profiles become even more powerful when you assign them to specific modes in Saarthi. This way, the right profile is automatically chosen depending on the task. To do this, open the Mode settings, pick the mode you'd like to configure, and in the API dropdown, select one of your custom profiles instead of the default. Repeat this for other modes as needed. Once you're done, click Save. Now, whenever you switch modes, Saarthi will automatically switch to the linked profile. That's it. Try setting up your own profiles and assigning them to different modes to see what combination works best for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.